Hello and welcome to Super30 Data Analytics Program by Analytics Shiksha. In this video, I'll talk about what it takes to become a top data analyst, what steps you have to follow in the next 6 to 8 months to get the best out of this program. Now, over this journey, what we have done is we have built JARVIS. So when you log into the JARVIS, you see your dashboard where you can see how engaging you have been over last 1 week, last 1 month, over lifetime, how much practice exercises, quizzes, lectures, etc. you have completed so far. So we are keeping a track of how engaging you have been in this course, based on which you are given a score on how good you are in terms of solving your assignment, completing your quizzes, etc., which gets reflected on leaderboard.
Now this is a leaderboard on the right. So if you look at it, Aman, Priya and Ranshita, they are lifetime. Then Vikas is 4th, Sandeep is 5th, Akshat is 6th.
Now let's say, like I said, we have a lot of practice exercises, quizzes, assignments. So you're solving an assignment on SQL, and as a student you forgot certain aspects of your query. So once you run the query, then you see there are some errors. Now this is where you can use this powerful hint. What this will do is it will hit the AI at the back end and it will look at your query and then it will give you certain suggestions or hints. Similarly, we can also evaluate our assignment of, let's say, Google Sheets. So what we have to do is we have to upload our submission here. So we'll click on this and then select the file and then click on evaluate. So once you do it, the AI will fetch all the contents of your file and then it will evaluate those against the questions that are there in the assignment. And once the evaluation is done, you can click on the report. So we can look at the first task is correctly implemented. Amazing. Then second task has some incorrect or missing implementation. Now, when you do these assignments, there might be certain topics where you are strong, where you are weak, right? We get that information based on how many questions are correct on which topics. So you can go to performance summary and this will show you how strong or weak you are in specific subjects. And then the great thing is you can practice on those weak topics. So what I did is I went through lecture, I learned with AI. So in this feature, we give AI the topic name and the AI will give you all the information on that topic. And once you have done sufficient practice with AI, then your quiz will open to prove that you have learned the topic. Now you are not weak in this topic anymore.
So if you are giving your 100% and if you are top 3 in your batch, then you get to unlock free mock interview rounds with me. So it will help you a lot in cracking your real life interview.